Jay Swaminarayan, myself, Pujini Nalaude, Atmiya Green School, Standard 6, Subject Maths. So we are on the fourth example. Okay, give two equivalent ratio of 6 as to 4. So first of all, I have told you, but once again I will repeat this example. What is our ratio? 6 upon 4. Okay, or we can say 6 as to 4. Now we have to convert it into equivalent ratio. So as equal in the fraction chapter, we have calculated equivalent fractions by multiplying or dividing any number to numerator and denominator, right? Same process we have to do here. So we will multiply the 6 upon 4. 6 as to 4 means 6 upon 4. So we will multiply numerator and denominator by 2. We will get here 12 upon 8. Okay. So 6 to the 12, 4 to the 8. Now here it is division. It is done by division, but by mistake it is written the multiplication. So it is the sign of, please correct it, it is the division. So 6 as to 4 is the given ratio, and here they have divided by 2. So 2 3 are 6, 3 here, and 2 2 are 4, 2 here. Okay. So which are the equivalent ratios of 6 as to 4? 12 as to 8 and 3 as to 2. So what is the another first equivalent ratio? 12 as to 8 and 3 as to 2. Of course you can multiply by any number also. You can multiply by 3 also, you can multiply by 10 also. Okay. And division, if divisible both numerator and denominator by any number, you can also divide it. Okay, but it should be divisible to both, that is numerator and denominator. Get it? Okay, next. Therefore, we can get equivalent ratios by multiplying or dividing the numerator and denominator by the same number. So what we clear here from this example, that we can get equivalent ratio by multiplying or dividing the given ratio, right? So let's start. See the fifth example. Fill in the missing number. Okay. So what is the given ratio? 14 upon 21. Right. So see here in the numerator it is 3. So how can we calculate from 21 from 3? So it should be divisible by which number? 7 ना. तो हमने डिनोमिनेटर को 7 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो 3 आ गया. अब 14 को किससे 14 को अगर हम 7 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो कितना आएगा यहाँ? 2 आएगा, right? So it should be 2. Then see here, it is 6 here. Okay. So यहाँ 2 है. So 2 numerator को हमें 6 में convert करना है. So what we have to do here? We have to multiply by 3, right? Now next, in the denominator में कितना है? 3. So 3 को किससे multiply करेंगे? 3 से. तो 3 3 जा 9. So it should be 9 here and it should be 2 here. Okay. So let's see what is the solution given. In order to get the first missing number, we consider the fact that 20 is equal to 3 into 7, right now? When we divide 21 by 7, we get 3. This indicates that to get the missing number of the second ratio, 14 must be divided by 7. When we divide, we have 14 upon 7, that is 2. Okay, I'm sorry. Hence, the second ratio is 2 upon 3. Similarly, to get the third ratio, we multiply both terms second ratio by second ratio. Why? Because third ratio is 6 upon 9. So therefore 14 upon 21 is equal to 2 upon 3 is equal to 6 upon 9. Okay. Now we will see the sixth example. The ratio of the distance of school from Mary's home to the distance from school of John's home is 2 as to 1. मेरी का घर और जॉन का घर स्कूल से कितनी दूर है, उसका रेशो क्या है? 2 as to 1 है. Who lives nearer to school and complete the following complete the following table which shows some possible distance Mary and John could be live from the school. अब रेशो हमें पता है. सपोज करो हमने 2 किलोमीटर रखा यहाँ. सो मेरी का घर, पहले किसका घर है? मेरीज होम. तो मेरी का घर कितना दूर है? 2 किलोमीटर. और जॉन का 1 किलोमीटर. तो किसका इतना दूर है स्कूल से? सॉरी, किसका घर स्कूल से नजदीक है? It's John's home, right? Now, let's see here the solution. John lives near to the school as the ratio is 2:1. Okay, now we'll discuss about this box. Okay, distance from Mary's home to school in kilometer and distance from John's home to school in kilometer. Suppose Mary's house is 10 kilometer, then John's house is 5 kilometer. If we divide 10 and 5, what will get the lowest term? 2:1 ना. अब देखो यहाँ जॉन का घर 4 किलोमीटर है. सो 1 को किस नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 4 आएगा? 4 से ना. सो what is the ratio for Mary's home? 2. So we have to multiply 2 by 4. So what will get here? 8. Right ना. Next, अब देखो मेरी का घर 4 किलोमीटर है. तो जॉन का घर और स्कूल कितने दूर अंतर होगा? तो यहाँ 2 को कौन से नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई किए तो 4 आएगा? 2 2 जा 4. देन वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई 1 ऑल्सो बाय 2. ओके. नेक्स्ट, जॉन्स हाउस इज एट 3 किलोमीटर डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम स्कूल. सो वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई 2 by 3 so that we can calculate the distance of Mary's house from school. That is 3 2 जा 6. Now it is 1. Okay, so 1 को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो 1 आएगा. So we have to multiply 2 by 1, that is 2 here. Okay, so see the answers here. It is exactly similar to what we discussed here. Get it? Fine. So I think everyone is clear about the ratio. Okay, now we will start exercise 12.1. So first of all, you have in our CW copy, we have to write some notes. So write first the chapter's name, then ratio and proportion. Then we have to write here the definition of ratio. We compare two quantities in terms of how many times. This comparison is known as ratio. We denote it by using this symbol. Okay, this one. Quantities can be compared only if they are in the same ratio. Now, if two difference ratio has lowest term form, then they are equivalent ratio. We can get equivalent ratio by multiplying or dividing the numerator and denominator by the same number. Sorry. So we already clear this concept now. So we have to write here and then we will start exercise 12.1. Okay. So shall we start now? Fine. So let's see the first example. There are 20 girls and 15 boys in a class. What is the ratio of the number of girls to the number of boys? What is the ratio of the number of girls to the number of total number of students in the class? Now what is the given quantities here? Number of girls कितने हैं? 20. Number of boys 15. Now can we calculate the total students? Yes. So what will be the total students? Total number of students are 20 plus 15, we get 35. Okay. Now next, ratio of number of girls to number of boys. Girls कितने हैं? 20. Number of boys कितने हैं? 15. So it is 20 upon 15. But we can convert it into lowest term ना, क्योंकि इसे 5 से divide कर सकते हैं. So 5 4s are 20 and 5 3s are 15. Get it? Okay, now next. Ratio of number of upon total number of students. So now here we already calculated number of students. So how are they? 20 boys plus girls number, right? So 20 plus 15 we get 35. So ratio is equal to number of girls upon total number of students, that is 20 upon 35. If we divide by 5 we get here 4 upon 7. Okay. So let's start the next example. 30 students in a class, 6